everyone, I'm Fiona. In today's video, I will show you 3 sets of EPS waffle mold we just finished in our workshop. This is male mold side. We are using 4 pieces of hollow aluminum reinforcement to increase the support for the mold. Also, we are using the whole pieces of hollow aluminum plate cut by CNC machine to hand the mold cavity. The stress of the hollow aluminum plate will be much higher than the stress of the cast aluminum plate. As you can see, hollow aluminum plate drilled a lot of steam core vents, so the stress is very important. The layout of cooling water pipe is another important element to ensure that every part of the female mold cavity can be evenly spread with the cooling water. Because if the foam products are not cooled properly, the surface will be blistered, which will affect the quality of the foam products. Our entire female mold is made of welded hollow aluminum to ensure the overall stress. For the 3 pieces mold, the dimension accuracy is very important. The dimension showed here on the drawing is 370 mm. Let's measure it on the mold. It's exactly 370 mm. Our entire female mold do not use the copper nozzle. Instead of, we are using the copper pipe, because the copper pipe cooling effect is better. Those are all based on our experience. In addition to the layout of the cooling water pipe, for the waffle mold, the slope of the demold is also important. Those request technical have rich production experience. EPS waffle mold are one of our regular products. Even so, we still need to constantly listen to the customer's opinion and optimize our EPS mold. The small hole you see on the top is the position pin on the left and right side of the EPS mold, which can make the mold close more accurately. And the bottom is the pouring rod hole. It can lock the female and male mold into whole pieces. It will be easier to install and replace the mold. There is a small hole in the female mold. We will use a stainless steel rod to lock the mold. Now let me show you the back side of the female mold. This is position for EPS filling gun and here for ejector. This is the cooling water connector. Total female mold have 2 cooling water connector. They have total 4 pieces of reinforcement support are installed at the back side of the sealing plate to increase the stress of the mold and extend the service life of the mold. Those hole for EPS filling gun has a limited design, which can make the position of the filling gun head just flush with the surface of the mold. So that is more convenient to install the EPS filling gun. This is basically all I want to show you guys about EPS waffle technology. If you're interested in the specific dimension, you can continue watch the video with the size reference. Otherwise, you can skip it. Before you leave, if you want to see more video like this, please give us a like and subscribe to our channel, so I will know that I'm doing the right things. I'll see you next video. Thank you to my lovely colleague to make all this happen.